Are you tired of the headaches that come with inconsistent cleaning? Try commercial cleaning made easy with Business Cleaning Solutions. We specialize in commercial cleaning management. Getting quality cleaning doesn't have to be a hassle. Start with a free commercial cleaning appraisal. We can evaluate the cleaning conditions in a variety of workplaces. You'll receive a no-obligation cleaning plan that's tailor-made to fit the unique needs of your business. Think you're ready to change cleaning vendors or start a new service? Making the switch is simple. The last step is a site walkthrough with one of our helpful service consultants. Getting to know a facility is important, as is establishing good communication. The cleaning crew can hit the ground running with the pros at BCS leading the way. To ensure quality cleaning, your service consultant will check in to make sure your business is looking its best. So stop suffering through repeated cleaning problems and schedule your commercial cleaning appraisal today.